So hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about uh, use explain plan for Oracle database SQL queries and how to view the plan for the particular queries. So we generally use explain plan statement for getting the most optimized steps for executing a SQL query. For example, DDL queries, DML queries, TCLs, etc. So the Oracle database will give us a plan which is optimized at the database level, and we can get it using the explain plan. So using that plan we can find the cost for execution of the plan, which is optimized, and also the steps by which we can make the query run faster and effectively. So in this video we're going to learn that how to do it. So for example, let me show you explain plan for, and then we will mention our query. Okay, so for example, I'm taking select from DB table space. Okay, so this is my query, and for this I want to get the explain plan. Okay, so you can see that we have all explained, we have executed this query, and the database stored the plan for us. Okay, so now to view the plan, okay, to view the plan we can use select from plan table. Okay, we can use this also. So this will give us this plan, okay, in the table format. You can see here the columns like statement IDs, plan ID, okay, timestamp, okay, which is 15th of March, remark, and the operation select statement. Okay, so we have executed this. So we can see here options like filters and hash joins, table access, hash joins. Okay, so in this way it will give us the plan in the table format. Okay, also you can see in the bottom line also unique scan. Okay, so this is the plan in the table format. Okay, in the table format, right? Now if you want the full explain plan, okay, in the chart manner, okay, chart way. So for that we can also do is select dash star from table here dbms explain dot display. So this is, by using this we can get the explain plan as you can see on the screen. Okay, so we have plan hash value also for that, and here in the chat format we are getting this. So you can see this id columns, id operations, okay, operations also, then the name, the number of rows, okay, and the bytes, and here is the cost. Okay, so for execution per cpu we are getting this much cost. Okay, the time will be taken as 1 second, so it is shown here. So in this way, okay, so you can get it. So likewise we can get the explain plan as on the display. Yeah, the steps, this is the adaptive plan. Okay, so it will get changing as the data inside the table, or as per your requirement you can set it. So we can get the explain plan as such as. Okay, so in this way we can use the explain plan. Okay, so for example, we can use from Scott, then college where row num equal to 2. Okay, so for delete query also we will see what is the plan. So first of all we will execute in the statement format. Okay, so it's showing select, where is the delete, create delete statement. Okay, so here is it. Okay, statement where plan id is equal to 13. Okay, we will see here where plan id equal to 13. Now you can see it. So in this way we can see the plan in the table format. Now let's see in the chart format. Okay, so this is the plan in the chart format, like delete statement, delete, count, stop, key, filter, table space, cost per cpu 0 3. Okay, the time required is 1 second again. Okay, so this is what we can get using this explain plan. So likewise we can get the plan for create table. Okay, squad, city, okay, ID, number, city name, where char 2. Okay, so in this way also we can get the plan for the create query. Okay, now let's see. First of all, again here in the table format. Now where is the create statement? Okay, plan ID is 14. Okay, where plan underscore ID is equal to 14. So this is all we can see here. So this is in the table format. Okay guys, now if you want in the chart format we can get it from here. So here it is in the chart format, so it is simple, so it won't need any plan. Okay, so in this wise, so guys, in this way we can use the explain plan statement for getting the stepwise optimize plan to generate a query, okay, on the Oracle database. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.